So, hi all. First of all, welcome to Trainer Squad for the Salesforce training, right? So, the agenda, this will be the agenda. Okay. Let's have a little brief intro. Then I will share a training plan because plan is very important. And most important is career in Salesforce. Okay. So, we will discuss which career is best for you as per your profile, right? What are the career growths we have? And what are the salary packages these days for the Salesforce professional? Then I will discuss about the course curriculum. We will discuss about what are the salary trends and students most, you can say, concerned question: how will I get a job in Salesforce placement process, right? है ना? And how will we crack the Salesforce interview? This will be our agenda. Okay. So before going to demonstration, guys, I will assure you that this, at least in demonstration, you will get some knowledge of the Salesforce, and this session will be some worth for you. Okay, good. And you can interrupt me anytime. Okay, so no need to wait till end. Okay, I will ask the question, and no, you can interrupt me anytime. Maybe you forgot that question. Maybe your doubt is need to be clear, है ना? At the same time. Okay, so interrupt me. I will give you the answer immediately. Okay, good. So there are so many questions in our mind before going to a demonstration. What is Salesforce? I don't have IT background. I don't know coding. Can I learn Salesforce? Salary packages. And what is my future when I join as a Salesforce developer? Okay, good. So, first of all, let me tell you myself. I'm Gaurav. I'm not a trainer. I will be your mentor. Reason is this: I will not only train my students, I will mentoring you that how will you become a Salesforce professional. Okay. So I will take your training, then I'm the one who will take your mock interviews, help you to prepare the CV. Okay, full mentorship. So you can easily enter into the Salesforce ecosystem. Okay. So I'm having a vast 15 plus year of experience, and also I'm a certified corporate trainer in the field of Salesforce, and I'm also working as a Salesforce project manager in a big four company. Okay. Currently, I'm handling a project for the leading automotive company, and in my team there are more than 20 people are there. And I have started my career as a Salesforce QA, then moved from QA to developer. Then I have worked in a different clouds. Since Salesforce is a cloud technology, there are so many clouds: sales cloud, service cloud, marketing cloud. So during these 15 years, I have worked almost all the clouds in the Salesforce. Okay. And I have implemented more than 10 real life Salesforce projects. And in this training, out of 10, I am taking three projects, okay, which I have worked. So we will implement three live projects of real world. So during this training, I will share what I have learned this 15 of experience. Okay, got it. Now, in terms of qualification, I have done BTech from NIT Kurukshetra and MBA from a top-notch B school and certifications. Okay. These days, competitive world is there. So you are in whatever industry, certificates are always good to have. It's not mandatory, but it's good to have. So students who just want to come into the Salesforce, they ask me, sir, which certificate should I do? So my suggestion to them, if you are going for a developer, you will go for the Salesforce Developer PD1. Okay. If you are going for the QA course, Salesforce don't have a QA, then you can go for the Salesforce admin, right? And if you are becoming a BA, then you can go for the business analyst certificate. Okay. PD1 certificate, that is a developer certificate, is highly demand for the developers. Admin is for the QA people, and BA is for the BA people. Okay. So let me show you this type of certificates you will get, right? Okay. You see this certificate I will create 2021 Service Cloud, Sales Cloud. So different, these are the real world certificates. Okay. So in this training, we are having a 3 targets. Okay. Let me write down what targets we have, what we are going to achieve through this training. Okay. So what is our goal? Everything our goal, correct? है ना? What is our goal in this training?
Hello, hello. Sir, you are not audible.
1 second. I'm not audible. I'm speaking only, huh? Oh, oh. Now it's audible.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
From beginning, it's not audible, Rupali, or just it was mute?
No, it was audible from beginning.
Now it's clear. Now audible. Now it's clear
Yes.
to other one.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Bhaskar, maybe your internet issue. I don't know. Other people are able to hear me properly, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right now we are able to hear you.
Okay,
From
okay,
last 3 minutes, it's mute, sir.
okay,
Yeah,
Please
okay.
check.
last
Yeah,
was
What
the
you
maybe.
what you have said, we are not able to actually.
Okay, okay. I was
Please
only.
repeat from the
Okay, okay,
last
okay.
3 minutes.
Okay, okay. No worries. Maybe some technical there glitch. Now it's clear. Okay, good. So I am saying to achieve any target, right? We should have a solid training plan. Okay. So this will be our training plan. Daily, we will have a 1.5 hour class. So first 15-20 minutes, we will discuss about the doubts. I know that you will have a lot of doubts when you join the course. Reason is this: we are giving you a lot of assignments. Okay, assignments for every module till beginning. We are covering almost 35 to 40 modules. Okay. After the class, we will give you decks. Decks means high level of PPTs. We will give you notes. We will give you assignments, multiple choice questions. So we have prepared almost 400 multiple choice questions. Why this 400 multiple choice questions? The reason is this: when you are learning any new thing, you should have a habit to search on the Google also. Okay. So this 400 multiple choice question, you can say that scenario based question we have prepared for our students. It will definitely help you to clear the certificate and help you to clear the scenario based interview questions. Okay. Right. Then we will give you dumps. And last but not the least, life projects. I am having a more than 10 projects, but it's not required to do all the projects. You have to do 3 projects. 2 projects we will cover in this training. One project I will give you, which you can show in your CV also. Okay. And you do by yourself. Anyone has a doubt with the training plan? Okay. If no, I will take it as a no doubt. Plus, what we are in this demo, I will show you one more thing. In this demo, I will discuss about the job portal. Okay, guys, if you go to Trainers Code website, I will show you how the job portal will help you to get a job. If you go to our website, okay, this trainerscode.com website, right? And this is our job openings. We will discuss about the job portal. Okay. On after that, we will discuss about our self-paced learning. Self-paced learning. Just like we are having our own portal called self-paced learning for our students. You see, job opening will come here, job portal. We are having a more than 30 jobs are there. Okay. And this is our self-learning portal. If you see learning portal, if you open that, right, this thing will come where we have self-paced courses for you guys. Okay. Some are paid, some are free. No need to worry. We will give you access for that also. Okay. Why self-paced? Once we are learning, you are learning through me, but I've already recorded sessions, how to prepare the interview, how to do the mock interviews, every stuff. Okay. So you are prepared by yourself. If you're not able to find it out, okay. So in a YouTube daily, we have uploaded whatever the intro session I have taken. Okay. For example, if I go to YouTube, 1 second. Last week I have taken just 1 second. You can go there. Just showing you everything, right? How can you learn with us? Okay. So if day before yesterday I have taken the this thing. Webinar is gone. Just 1 second. You see, Salesforce journeys are there. QA. I have taken this QA mock interview. You can go there and see that. It's a real time scenario interview things. Okay. It's not like that. I'm just saying I will take a mock interview. You see a lot of stuff here. Okay. Good. Okay. Now move further. Now let's jump in directly into the Salesforce. Now we know that, okay, in this training, recorded sessions are there, self-web portal I will get, job openings I will get. Hana? We have an opportunity to take you, interview questions, multiple choice questions. But most important thing is skill set. Hana? If we don't have a skill set, everything will be zero. So our aim is to give our best of best for this training. Okay. Now, simple question. Why Salesforce? Why Salesforce number one CRM in the industry? In the industry. First of all, it's a CRM, right? Correct. Salesforce is a CRM. Customer relationship management. Hai na? So, customer relationship management. What is a customer relationship management? Simple. How will you build a relationship with the customer? Hai na? How? So, in simple term, it's online database of customers used by different department of company, used by different department of company. Okay, but before that, exactly what Salesforce? It's a company, first of all. Okay, right? And you know why I have spent almost more than 15 years in this industry? I can is generally people change their career path. Okay, they have worked in one domain. For example, one is working in SAP, they will move to Oracle, Java. People are moving to somewhere else. People are moving to data science, data engineering. What I have felt and which really, I have learned in this 15 years. Reason is this: first of all, Salesforce is used. It's a CRM. CRM used in all the industries, guys. Okay, if you see their automotive, you can join in automotive industry. Some people have a dream, like they want to join a Mercedes company. 2 months back, our 4 students, okay, our 4 students are joining a Mercedes Benz. Right, you can join the Mercedes Benz. Whatever industry, Google. In my current project, okay, what we are doing, I'm handling a Google project. Okay, in USA they have their own stores, retail stores are there in US. Okay, right? So Google, you can join the Google also, right? Any good company, whether it's a automotive, whether it's a productive expense like Infosys, Accenture, you can join, right? Okay. So I easily say you will join, but what career? What I mean to say, which role you can join? So in Salesforce, we are having a different roles, career paths, right? If I go there, guys, this slide is very important. You can ask whatever question you have. Yeah, I'm come to syllabus, Nagaraju. I'm coming to syllabus. Placement, I told show you not TS job portal we have. I just saw the questions of yours. Then after vision training, which domain one should expect jobs? Yes. So I'm coming to this. Sadhu, this is the question. Okay, you can join as a Salesforce developer, quality analyst, BA. Okay, then you can become a technical lead, consultant, functional manager, and project manager. I'm at that ladder. Okay, so what I suggest to you, if someone is having a technical background or if someone is having a fresher, non-IT background, right? Maybe that person can enroll for the Salesforce developer course. Okay, if you want to become a QA, right, then you should go for a QA. If you are a manual tester, okay, then you go for a Salesforce QA. If you say, oh, I don't want to do code, coding is not a part of my, I don't like coding, it's not a cup of tea. So in that case, you can go for the BA course, that is business analyst. Okay, and don't worry about the normal question come to us. Yes, sir, I am having a 10 year of experience. I am having a 5+ year of experience. Can I go as a fresher? No. That's why it's a mentorship program. I will tell you, right? Okay, how will you show your past experience into the Salesforce? Leave that question to us, leave everything to us. Only what we are expecting that you should do your assignment, which we are going to share. Okay, our assignments are material is more than enough. Okay, if I go there, let me show you our material. 1 second. Okay, this material is more than enough for you to crack the Salesforce interview. That's I'm promising you. Okay, if because all our PPT, you see this day 36, for example, this type of material I'm going to show you guys. Okay, and my way of teaching is little bit unique. I always teach in a scenario based things. Simple learning will not help you to get an interview because when you go for an interview, already people are there who are already working. So we have to work in a real time scenarios. Okay. Okay. Right. You see real time scenarios. Scenario one, scenario three. This type of where trainer squad is always believed to teach students. And we have assignments for every topics. You see, that's why I'm saying you don't need to go here and there at a one single place. You will get everything. You see, assignment one, assignment two, assignment three, assignment four, all this stuff, right? And it's a well-managed training program. Day one, day two, day three. Not only that, we will discuss about our multiple choice question here also. Quiz. You see, quiz, right? We will help you for that. This quiz will help us to get this clear. Now move further. I'm coming to the Salesforce, right? Let me log in. It's a cloud-based technology. We all know that, right? Cloud means you don't need to install any software, no need to do any service required. So you can just log in. That's why work from home option is most of the cases you will get a work from option in the Salesforce. And last, I think 2017, I never go to office. Just once a day I go because my clients are mostly from US, UK. Okay, most of Salesforce clients you will get from US, UK. Okay, so it gives you the opportunity. You can go for the US also. Even I was in Europe for almost 4 years. So if someone want to do the job in abroad, then Salesforce is the best option. Okay. So let me log in and show you Salesforce. This is our Salesforce, right? It's a free platform. Okay, you just need to go and create an account just like a Gmail. Even if you go to a day one, right? Day one, right? Day one assignment, day one. First assignment we will teach you day one how to create an account in Salesforce. And guys, every assignment you see, you will get a steps. Steps are there. You see steps. Okay. Next. Okay. So this is Salesforce. After that, I will go to curriculum. But let me show you how the see. Remember one thing. Okay. Thumb rule. Thumb rule to learn Salesforce. If you know your responsibilities, okay. If you know your job profile, then easy for learn. Okay. So what I'm trying to say that if you know when you join as a Salesforce developer, administrator, QA, what are roles and responsibilities, very easy for you to learn the Salesforce. It's a universal rule. Okay. So we should first, I'm going to discuss when you join. Even I remember that it's almost more than 15 years when I tried to learn the Salesforce. I was very curious. Okay. Oh, when I join as a Salesforce developer, when I join as a Salesforce QA, exactly what I have to done. What are my roles and responsibilities? Okay. For that, guys, I have prepared these slides for you, for my students. Right. You see my slides, na? It's visible to you. Roles and Okay. So my slide is visible to all of you, right? Yeah,
Yes.
it's visible on my screen. Yes. Okay. So roles and responsibilities, right? It is very important to know your roles and responsibility when you join as a Salesforce developer. Okay. So guys, just be there in the demo. We have a lot of exciting things to come. Okay. After roles and responsibilities, I will cover up this thing, your curriculum. And later on, I will tell you how this is the most question. I haven't tell you this thing, right? Okay. Why I tell you this thing? How will you crack a Salesforce interview? Reason is this: you should have some basic things. So here I will tell you how will you crack a Salesforce interview. First question, na? This I will tell you. Okay. But at the end, we should have some basics under our belt. Okay. Good. Now, Salesforce. It's a CRM, right? Online database of customer used by different department of company. So why Salesforce is so popular than Oracle, SAP, Microsoft Dynamics? There are so many tools. Reason is this: if you go to the Salesforce, okay, this is actually Salesforce table. Customer data is there, and that data is used by the marketing team, sales team, training team, customer support. All the different departments are using the Salesforce. Okay. So it is provide 360-degree solution. If you go for a SAP, right? SAP cannot be used by the each and every department. They have a different portals. Supply chain management, sales module, they have different procurement. But in Salesforce, all the departments are interconnected. Okay. So here exactly this happens in Salesforce. Okay. User. One is a user always. User means who will use the Salesforce. For example, I am a user. I'm Gaurav. I'm a sales department. I go there, click on sales. Okay. So what is the role of salespeople? Salespeople role is to calling the customer. So go contacts. Click on contacts. Then Aditya, Vishnavi, these are my customer. So sales team is using the Salesforce by contacts. Now $1 million question come into picture. User are there, sales team, service team. Why companies hiring me? Why they need a Salesforce developer? Why they need a Salesforce QA? Your answer is this in this slide. Okay. Here, create reports. Salesperson will come to you, right? Gaurav, do one thing. Can you please create a reports to me? So, if you are a BA, your role, is a person, okay? He wants a reports in a Salesforce. BA will understand the requirement. Guys, I don't know who is there for the business analyst course. BA will understand the requirement, right? Developer will create it and tester will test it. So that's why if you want to become a administrator, guys, listen this thing, okay? Very carefully. If you want to become a Salesforce admin, then you need to learn only admin. I'm coming to the topics, which topic we are going to cover in admin and all. If you want to become a Salesforce PA, then you need to learn Salesforce admin plus BA. If you want to become a Salesforce QA, then you need to learn again Salesforce admin plus QA. If you want to become a Salesforce developer, then you need to learn again Salesforce admin plus Apex language we're using called Apex, which is similar like Java. Similar like Java. Okay, so see, this is where practical thing means admin is the basic. Forget it. What if you are looking for only admin, you will not get a job. I'm telling you, admin will not get a job. you have to be either a BA, QA, or a developer. As per my recommendation, again, I'm repeating, if you are a testing background, go for a QA. If you don't have a testing background, you like the coding part, then go for the Salesforce developer. If you have any management, right, you are a senior manager, you have some experience, you want to move your career into coding to non-coding, then you can go for the business analyst. So again, roles are clear. This is the job. Okay. Someone asking me, sir, what jobs I'm getting, right? Here, user need a reports. BA will create a user story. Developer will develop by the LLD, low level design. He will design some document to that, and tester will test. How the tester will test? He will write the test scripts. So in this training, if you go for a BA, we will teach you how to create a user story, do the requirement. If you are a developer, we will teach you how will you create a reports, one of the scenario. If you are a tester, we will teach you how to do the test report. Okay. So very easy, guys. Reports, you just need to go there. I'm not creating a report, just showing you. You are a developer. Okay. You just go there, search with the reports. Reports are coming, right? Click on new report. Guys, again, ask any question if it is in your mind. आप पूछ लो मुझसे, ठीक है? Any language, I know Hindi, English, Punjabi, 3 languages I know, so you can ask any language. Start report, you see. Go then, you can run the reports, save and run. And we are going to learn reports in which day? I think day 6th or 7th. Let me go there. Let me go to our training. This is a folder. Day 8. We are reaching a reports. And as I told you, you will feel that you're working in a real project. Okay. See, this type of things are there in a real world. Hi, admin, can you tell me how many reports? BA will come to the developer, which type of reports, then they will tell you how this type of reports. So this type of training stuff we have. Okay. Not heavy, not boring, very interesting stuff. Okay. Now move further. Okay, good. So one of the scenarios to create a reports, right? What are your roles and responsibilities? This, if you know this thing, very easy for you to data upload, right? So you can upload the data. Means if I'm a salesperson, okay, if I'm creating a single record, okay, I go there, I'm creating a one record. These are called records. Hana? I'm creating a one customer record. You see, go there, click on new button, Mr. Mahesh, for example, Mr. Mahesh. Mahesh is my customer, Manish, whatever things is there. 987654. Then pull all that and create a one record save. But if there are million of records, then you need to learn the data management. Okay, so we are covering data management here, guys. Okay, data management. I will tell you what we're going to cover. So as a Salesforce developer, QA or BA, your responsibility is to handle the data management. Okay, upload the data into the system in a single second. We have a data loader for that. Okay, right? What else? Automation, email to clients. A perfect example is when you purchase anything from Amazon. Email will come to you through invoice, automatic invoice. Amazon is also using a Salesforce. Paytm. Okay. One of my colleague recently, he just placed in a Paytm company in Noida. And Paytm is very good paymaster. He get a approximately 100% growth. Okay. If you have a talent, if you know the technology, then salary is not a bar for you. You can get whatever you want. But first thing is skills. Okay. Then integration. Integration means connecting two system, right? Connecting Salesforce with SAP, connecting Salesforce with Google. Okay. So again, we will cover up integration under development. Which part? We will go on, I think, 23rd day. Okay. So here we will teach you how will you connect Salesforce with Google. You can connect Salesforce with Workday. These are the things. Okay. Now we are a little bit now clear that na? Integration, user management. How will you create a user in the Salesforce? How will you create a tables, fields? Now, I understand that this is Salesforce, this is my training plan, these are roles and responsibilities, but to perform these roles and responsibilities, what I'm going to learn, right? For that, let's discuss about our module wise. So guys, in module wise, first we will learn about the different concept of cloud computing. These are for those are very freshers. Okay, so just take a one single session on that. Then we will learn about this certificates. You see, Salesforce certifications. Okay, so I will tell you which certificate is good as per your skill set. Okay, we'll learn this. Then we will learn about the different tables. Actually, what happened in Salesforce, standard tables are there, but you can customize the table as per your requirements. You can create a tables, fields, different types of fields we are going to learn. Then we are going to learn relationships in a interview. First question, they will throw you what is the difference between lookup and master. No worries, you don't know these things, but we are going to cover relationships between the two tables. Very important. Then automation. So in automations, there are 4 tools we are going to learn. Salesforce automation. What are tools we are going to learn? Those are called flows. Then we have a workflow. Then we have a approval process. Then we are going to learn. Fourth is your process builder. Maybe interview point of view, they're okay, but in real scenario, this automation is very important when you are a Salesforce developer or PO or QA. Okay. What else? Then we are going to learn flows. This is called automation. We are going to go screen flow, record trigger, auto launch, platform event flows. Then module 7, we are going to cover email templates. You see, email templates. When you are sending an email, you should prepare some templates with you. HTML templates, letterhead, how to create a letterhead. You see, letterhead. If you're seeing a invoice, right, you need some letterhead. So how will you do that? That is done through this. UI customization, we will learn. Then we'll learn the data loader. Data management, I told you, data management. So in data management, we have a different tools. Data means upload the data, delete the data, upload the attachment. We have a data loader we are going to learn. We are going to learn import wizard, export wizard. But I will teach you workbench. In real world, we are using a workbench lot. Okay, workbench. It's a separate tool of Salesforce. I will going to teach you workbench also. Right. Then what else? Here we are learning data management, import wizard. You see, all come under data management. Then we are going to cover reports. I told you, different types of reports we have. So we are going to learn reports also. Data security. Most important topics. Data security. Don't think it's I mean to say, don't think it's a cyber security. It's been data security. Who will see what? Right. Here we are going to learn in this profiles, permission sets. Then we are going to learn a lot of stuff. Roles. How will you create a roles? Means when you join a company, you say Salesforce roles. Okay. Bhaskar, I will come to that question, fresher career gap. Okay, let me just finish this. Then I will take your question also. Okay, this career gap, how much someone can expect. Okay, I will tell you the salary package also. Okay, got it. I will take this question at the end when salary package we are discussing. It's in the next slide. Okay, so roles. So if I go to setup, means you can create a roles. If someone join a company, you should give him the role, he's a manager. So you can create a roles also. You say very important. If you're an administrator, you should know how to create a roles in a Salesforce. So guys, we will learn how to create a roles. I'm just showing you. You see, you can set up a roles here. Go there and set up a role. Expand all. You see CEO, CFO, SVP. How can you do this? Organization. It's our duty to maintain an organization. Okay, for data security, we are going to learn a lot of stuff because it's a never ending. Whatever profile you go, you should know this security. We learn object level, record sharing, all the stuff. Okay. Now, admin is done for all. I will start with the developer, then QA and BA. Okay. So in a developer course, we are learning called Apex language. We are learning Apex, but most of students don't have a coding background, right? Okay, so what can you do? We will start with the basic coding. We will start with basics of language. Okay, so if you go there, we will learn this secret to learn data types, operators, constructors, debugging, oops. We will learn all these programming basics. Okay, then we will learn about Apex overview, loops. Okay, then list set map in Salesforce, queries. In SQL, we have a SQL queries. Here in Salesforce, we are having a SOQL. So we are going to learn Salesforce object query language. Okay, DML statements, triggers. Okay, test classes. If you write any class, any code, you need to test it, right? So we learn the test classes. Okay, integration. I told you, na, here in Salesforce, we're using a REST API. So we will learn the integration part. Then deployment. How will you deploy the code? So almost 15 modules we are going to learn here in our part. Then in QA, right? QA or BA, I can take it together. QA, we will learn how to create test scripts, right? Then we will learn about, I will show you the curriculum also, how to create test scripts. Then we will learn testing process. Okay. Bugs in Salesforce. So if you go to curriculum of the QA, let me show you. Then I will go after the placement process. Okay, 1 second. This is the QA. After admin, we are going to cover these topics. This QA testing process we are going to learn. Okay. Model testing, different. You see, different types of testing we have. Functional testing, reaction, integration, performance, testing challenges. This is an interview. My favorite question, I'm taking a Salesforce interview from last more than 8 years. Okay. So my question to QA always, what are the specific testing challenge you have? Even if you go for a mock interview, which I have taken, guys, the link I will share with you. Okay, here you just go to that interview, right? You will feel that it's really a high level of interview. Okay, right? I have answered this question also. If you see, na, here I have, I think, write down even this. Yeah, you see this question. I have taken a mock interview at the same time. I have given them the answer also. Okay, test data preparation, whatever things are there means interview doesn't make you just take an interview. You should give the feedback, right? So challenge faced by the BA, sir, because this type of question they will ask you in the real world. Okay, and in this thing type of thing you will not get on YouTube also. Okay, good. Now here manual testing, automation, test data management, integration testing, performance testing in Salesforce, database testing. So we are going to cover almost 16 modules in a QA. Now BA, Salesforce business analyst, right? What we're going to learn, let me open that, show you. BA, yeah, this is my BA. Okay, so in the BA, we are going to cover about our these topics, right? All these topics. Introduction to BA, different types of BA role, functional BA, technical BA, environmental setup, automation, test data, automation tools. We will understand stakeholder need analysis, life cycles. Okay, so we are going to cover 16. Now, everything is done. Again, I'm coming back to my question: how will you crack a Salesforce interview? Hana. Last but not the least, how will you crack Salesforce interview after learning this? How will you crack Salesforce interview? For that, first step I'm telling you steps. First step is skill set, right? Skill sets, with this training you are getting a skill set. Second is pre-interview preparation. Students are just thinking about preparation, but we should have pre-interview preparation. For here, pre-interview preparation, we should have a CV, right? Okay. Project preparation, correct? Project preparation. Okay, so we are conducting mock interviews on regular basis every weekly. Then project preparation, I will tell you how to prepare a CV. Almost we are having a more than 20 CVs are with us. Depend upon your experience, we are sharing 20 CV with you. Okay, 20 CV with you. You have to prepare that. But this is a major blockage. How will I get a interview call? No need to worry, guys. There are different ways. Okay, different ways to get an interview call. First of all, we are having a trainer squad job portal. So now you say, sir, trainer squad, what is trainer squad? If you go to Google, just simply type out trainer squad everywhere. Go to YouTube, go to Facebook, you will see that. And guys, this is our website. Our reviews are most welcome. Genuine reviews are there. We have a 4.7 rating. Okay, right? LinkedIn, Facebook, whatever you go, you will see our latest trends. And even if you go to our website, this is our website, and these are the students. Okay, students are there. You can watch there. That guy was joined as a Salesforce business analyst. Okay, and this lady just clear a Salesforce business analyst certificate. And 2 weeks back, one of our student just got placed in a Capgemini also. Okay, her feedback is also there. So all the things are very crystal clear from our side. We will help you for the placement. Yes, we will give you 100% placement, but on the same time, we need a effort from your side also. Okay, right? So that's why proof speaks louder than promises. It's an online, you should go verify each and everything. Up to you. Now, $1 million question come into picture again. TS job portal. What for how then? You need to do a CV optimization. Okay. So LinkedIn, we have to do that. I will tell you how to do that. LinkedIn, Noki.com. Third is the references. As I told you, who are good students, we also give them personal references also. Because top job portal, you will get a mock interviews, right? Sorry, company references, all the companies. But sometimes all people are working in a big four also. We are having internal references also. So we will help you for that also. Okay. And for that, all lot of stuff we told you, we have a trainer squad, this thing. Job openings are there. You just go there. We will give you ID, password. More than 30 jobs are there right now. And you can learning portal. You see learning portal, you go there and you do the self-paced learning also. We are having a test series. Okay, you see, we are having almost 4,000 users have taken from us. Different exams are there, video courses are there. We are having a test series. You can go there and do that. Okay, this is from my side. If anyone has a doubt, can ask me. Or clear, let me go. Some people have a chat. Let me go to the chat. Yeah. Ask any question. Bhaskar, you asked me, will we be getting support during live interview so that we can create tech interview? What do you mean by getting spotlight during live interview? It's a called proxy, right? If you get our training, you don't need to require a proxy. It's an unethical thing. If you captured, right, it will boost your confidence also. If you need any proxy help from us, then what will you do in your live course job? Okay, we can do that, but it's an unethical thing. Okay, don't go for that. Just upgrade yourself so that you are able to clear the interview. The reason is this: our aim is not to clear the interview. Our aim is to, when we get a job, work there also. Then you will ask, sir, can you give the job spot? It's no end. Better we will upgrade our skills. That's why you are here, na? If you need this thing, I can give you tomorrow. We can give you this proxy also for the interview, right? You can clear it. Here we are actually learn, upgrade our skills so we can make our boost our career. Got it? Clear, na, Bhaskar? What I'm saying? Okay. हाँ तो भास्कर देखो जॉब प्रॉक्सी इज नॉट द सॉल्यूशन you can go to here, people will take money and do all this stuff. By chance, if you do that also, how will you survive in the job? Then you will come to, sir, give me the job spot. Better learn here, upgrade here, clear the interview. There's no shortage of interview. One thing I'm telling you guys, in the trainer squad, you will not get a shortage of interviews. Our averages per candidate, we are giving 10 interviews on an average, and definitely you will clear out of 10 out of 1. As a fresher with a career gap, how much someone can expect the salary package? As a fresher, in a Salesforce, you will get a salary between 5 to 6 lakh, 4 to 6, depend upon company policies. 4 to 6. And for the experienced people, you will get a 70 to 80% hike. If someone is having a 10 lakh package, okay, then definitely you will get 70 lakh, 18 lakh. I told you, one of my colleague, he was joined Paytm, okay. His salary, her package was almost approximately 20 lakh, but Paytm offering almost 37 to 38 lakh, almost 100% growth. It's all depend on your skill set. Anyone has a question? We have a lot of students. We have a Shivam, Sadhu, Nagaraju. We have a Krishna, Bhaskar, Abhi. Hanji, no question. Huh? Okay. So, someone asking the duration of the course. The duration of the course will be approximately 2.5 months. Okay. But your full circle will complete 3 months. It will take 3 months to make your career in a Salesforce. Okay. What else? Anyone has a doubt? Abhishek, Bhaskar, Krishna, Nagaraju, Shivin, Priya, Mehreen. No doubt, huh? How much period we will get the interpretation support after the course is completed? It is ongoing process. Interview, so you are always there. After the what we follow, you are the moment you enroll with us, we are having interview sessions. Okay, you will join the regular sessions every week. We have a 2 to 3 interview sessions. Last 2 days back, I even 2 session on the Salesforce QA. You are able to join that. When your turn will come, your HR will approach to you, give you some dates. Okay, these days you have to give the mock interviews, and that day you have to give us the mock interviews. Okay. Okay, guys. So let's, if no one has a doubt, let's close here. Okay. And hopefully we will meet soon. And we are going to start a new batch, just giving a timing. Okay. Tomorrow we are going to start a new batch. And we are going to start a 3 batch, one morning, afternoon, and evening. So in a trainer squad, you will get a multiple batches at a single time. So no need to worry. Okay. You can join as well. And trainer squad job portal access, we will offer you for more than 6 months. Okay. So let's close here. If no one has a doubt, hope this session was knowledgeable for you. Okay. And we will meet soon. Okay, guys. Take care. Bye. I'm closing this.